yourself in a good position. If you're not seeing well, you can move. So we cut open, right? So this is a cat we used this morning with the other class. So we have open thoracic abdominal cavities, right? Okay, so one thing was obvious, the diaphragm here. Okay, anything above here would be thoracic cavity, anything below diaphragm would be abdominal cavity. Okay, in the thoracic cavity, obvious here, in the center we have the heart. Okay, both sides of the heart we have lungs. Okay, so we see they're broken into subdivision, those are called lobes of the lungs. And down here, our first organ is the liver. So very big, relatively larger than human when you come to the relative size of the cat to the size of the liver itself. So that's the liver. And on the left side here of the abdominal cavity we have the spleen. And between the spleen and the liver we have the stomach. So this is the stomach here. Okay. So stomach, recognize it by its J shape, or some say C shape. Okay. And the stomach continues into the small intestine. So this is here now the small intestine. This is all the small intestine. You can follow it until it gets bigger. So this is where the small intestine will end, and you see it becomes bigger, right? So this is the large intestine. Large intestine goes out, and that's the rectum. Okay. We have here a kidney, okay, on both sides, kidneys, and medial to the kidneys we have the adrenal gland. This here, the adrenal gland. Okay, so as opposed to human, where it's sitting right here above the kidney, here is medial to the kidney. Okay, that's the adrenal gland. And down here we have the bladder. Okay, so it's small in this case here, but in this cat here we can see a bigger bladder. So it's a urinary bladder. Okay, and between the urinary bladder and the large intestine we have the uterus, which tells us that this is a female cat. Okay. And if you follow these here, these are called horns of the uterus. If you follow them all the way to the end here, you will see these tiny pea-sized organs. These are here the ovaries. Okay, so these are the ovaries here. We try to. So this is an exposed ovary. Okay, it's very small. So you will have this one here and one on this side here too. Okay, see here the ovary. Okay, so ovaries, and this is here a male, and we had a bag here called scrotum, where the testes would be located. So these are the testes. But the guys did a good job, open everything, expose these testes.
Within a fraction of seconds, Kaddish did that.
He did it, yeah. So I don't know if I was telling him that to get rid of him, he's going to get sued. So that was first part here was just for orientation, and the organs of the endocrine system you're identifying. So on the list you have 3.